Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Leia, and she is 10 years old, and we're doing ball gymnastics activities. So on this one, it's more for tactile input for the kids. So some kids need deep pressure. Some kids don't have good sensory awareness, so they need input to their bodies to kind of know where their body is in space. Why don't we start off with you laying on your belly. I'm gonna roll you out on your, lay on your belly. Yep, I'm gonna roll you out like a pancake. You ready? So I roll the body, but I do not roll the head. Seems like that would be uncomfortable anyway. If you will roll back toward me to your side. I'm gonna roll the side of your body. And then if you'll lay on your back. Scoot, 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 scoot. I'm going to roll you like a pancake. But I do not go to the face. I can do it with a light pressure. I can do it with a little bit of a bounce, I can add a song to it. It's just a fun way to work on tactile input, sometimes deep pressure input for kids who might need it or might not be very tolerant of touch. I hope this is helpful. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.